Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Click the link below for the best price. Today we're doing an honest, research-based review of the GMKtec Mini PC Workstation, a compact powerhouse featuring an Intel Core i9-13900HK, 14 cores, 20 threads, up to 5.4 GHz, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB SSD, and a solid array of connectivity including 8 USB ports, COM, HDMI, and DisplayPort, designed for office, business, and productivity workflows. I've researched this mini PC thoroughly across the internet, digging into specs, benchmark results, professional reviews, and real user feedback, so you get a clear picture of how it performs in real life and whether it's worth your investment. Let's start with the heart of the system, the Intel Core i9-13900HK. This mobile-class processor delivers laptop-level performance in a mini desktop form factor, and across benchmark comparisons and real-world tests I reviewed, it handles everything from everyday office tasks to heavy productivity workloads with ease. Whether you're editing large spreadsheets, running virtual machines, handling databases, or compiling code, this CPU stays smooth and responsive. In fact, the i9-13900HK often outperforms many desktop-class CPUs in multi-threaded benchmarks thanks to its high clock speeds and efficient architecture. Paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, this workstation is ready for demanding multitasking. Across user forums and performance breakdowns I checked, this amount of memory lets you keep many applications open simultaneously without slowdown, from browser tabs and communication apps to creative software and virtual environments. It's a level of memory that's often reserved for larger desktops or workstations, so seeing it in a mini PC like this means serious headroom for future needs. Storage comes via a 1TB SSD, which delivers fast boot times, quick application launches, and swift file access. In SSD speed tests and everyday user reports, NVMe SSDs like this significantly reduce waiting times for large files or complex project loads. Having 1 TB onboard means you won't need to juggle space for documents, software, media, or project files right away, and the responsive storage makes the whole system feel snappy from the moment you power it on. Connectivity on this mini PC is very strong for office and business setups. With 8 USB ports, you've got plenty of room for peripherals like keyboards, mice, external drives, scanners, and more without dongles or hubs. COM ports make it easier to integrate industrial or legacy equipment, which is useful for specialized environments. Standard outputs like HDMI and DisplayPort allow dual monitor or multi-display setups for enhanced productivity, a big advantage for professionals who rely on extended screen real estate. In terms of daily use and productivity, this mini workstation shines. Windows and productivity suites launch instantly, video conferencing is smooth, and multitasking remains stable even with heavy workloads. User feedback online shows that this class of mini PC handles remote work, hybrid office setups, and content creation workflows comfortably, and with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options, wireless connectivity stays reliable for modern office environments. That said, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Although the i9-13900HK delivers impressive performance, this mini PC does not include a discrete GPU, so graphics-intensive tasks like 3D modeling, GPU-accelerated rendering, or high-end gaming rely on integrated graphics performance. For intensive creative workloads that depend heavily on GPU power, a workstation with dedicated graphics would be a better fit. Additionally, mini PCs in compact enclosures can run warmer under sustained heavy loads, which may lead to increased fan noise compared with larger desktop towers. This isn't unusual for small form factors with powerful CPUs, but it's worth knowing if you prioritize silent operation. Another point is expansion flexibility. While 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD are generous out of the box, future upgrades, like adding storage or more memory, may require careful handling due to the mini form factor. Some users who upgrade components in small systems find that internal access can be tighter than in full-size desktops, so planning ahead if you anticipate upgrades is wise. So, is the GMKtec Mini PC Workstation worth buying? If you want a compact, powerful system for office, business, productivity, and multitasking workflows, with a high-performance Intel i9, plenty of memory, fast storage, and rich connectivity, then yes, it delivers excellent performance and versatility in a small package. After researching this mini PC thoroughly across specs, benchmarks, and user feedback on the internet, I can confidently say it's a strong choice for professionals and power users who want desktop-class capability without the bulk. Click the link below for the best price.